good morning class. Welcome you all. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. So, I welcome you in the session of biology for class 7. The chapter which we will discuss today is the reproduction in plants. Okay. So, that is about the plant, how it grows, how it reproduces, what are the important factors for reproduction, mode of reproduction. These all topics we will come to know in this very session. So let's get started. Reproduction. This is a very often used word you have used so many times. Reproduction. What do you mean by the word reproduction? Yes, reproduction means reproduce. If you will just break the word, if you will see that re means again. Re means again. And produce or production can be termed as producing again and again. So when we will just break the word and just think about the word, what the reproduction literally means, it means producing again and again. It means the production of baby, production of new individuals by the same parent species can be termed as reproduction. It means human beings can reproduce human beings. Okay, human beings because production of same species. Reproduction means production of same species. Means human beings will reproduce human beings. Cat will give birth to cat. Rose flower give birth to the new plant, that is only rose plant. By the plant of wheat we get next wheat plant. So reproduction of the same species by the parents, and they look in similar. They are the similar in look wise also. It doesn't mean that red plant by the red plant stem we can grow the white plant. Is it possible? No. The stem of red plant will give you, when you will just take it out, pluck it out, and when you will apply that plant in another place, the same red color flower will be given out. Is it? So the production of the new individual by the same parents, of same species is termed as reproduction. Okay, the production of new individuals from parents of same species. Production of new individuals. So we can say reproduction means production of new individuals by the parents of same species. Why reproduction is very important for life, as food is important, water is important. So reproduction is very much important in the life of any living beings, because reproduction help in the continuity of life. Suppose if the rose plant stop growing, if you stop growing rose plant, what will happen? One fine day, at the end of the day, there will be you can find rose plant nowhere. Is it? So when you will cultivate rose flower here, again after 2 years you will cultivate at the same different place. So there will be the continuity of rose flower, continuity of life. Reproduction means continuity of life. Reproduction increasing the population. By reproducing we can increase the population of individual species. Dog reproduce to give birth dogs. Cat reproduce cat. Human beings reproduce human beings. Cow reproduce cows. Okay. So increasing the population. If there will be no reproduction, the species will come into the there will be no more growing of the species.